What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to share with you the one thing you have to do right now if you're just starting online marketing or you're somewhere midway, whatnot, better late than never. But the one thing you have to do that will really benefit you in the long term. So chances are, if you're just starting out or if you're involved in this field, you're still learning different ad networks, how to create an ad, how to create a landing page, autoresponders, all that stuff, and you're forgetting one thing, and that is you and your brand. So the one thing I would really recommend that you do, we're going to go straight to the point here and then have some data to back it up, is create a blog, create a YouTube channel, do something of your own that you own and add a little bit to it every day, okay? So there's two benefits of doing that. One is you're building a lifelong asset that you own forever. No matter what happens with Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, your ad gets disapproved or policies are changed and or that affiliate product no longer exists, you will always have an asset that you can go to and that you own and control. It's kind of like having your own email list, okay? The second really big benefit is that if you start right now, before you even think about SEO, you will be slowly building this up. And later on, if you do end up trying to learn about SEO and trying to create a site, it's not going to be kind of a spark of the moment thing because SEO takes time. Unlike paid traffic, where you can create an ad on Google and see how it works this day and see if it works for you or not. You can't do that with SEO. SEO takes time. So if you start right now, you will have a bunch of time to build up that SEO and to have a base for when you do decide to get into SEO and see what you can do and how you can improve your site, right? And it's not going to be exhausting because later on you won't just have to kind of do everything all at once. Oh, let me think what topic I'm going to make. Let me create my posts, right? I need at least 20 posts. Let me do that. Oh, I need ads here. Oh, I need table of contents here. You're not going to be overwhelmed. Everything will be done because you will be taking it on a step-by-step basis, right? So if you look at my blog here, for example, right, and my corresponding YouTube channel, I started January 1st, 2017, and I started my YouTube channel somewhere late January. And this is an asset that I currently have for which I don't market at all, but it's something that I have. So I've built a certain subscriber base. I've built a certain email list and list of people that support me, right, and that are there with me. And if you look at, for example, right, I'm going to go to my services page. This is a page I've created just maybe 6 months or so ago, and I've created this little thing on the side here. You see it says 70 shares and whatnot. I've added that a month or so ago. So if I click on my services site here, you can see that this page has already generated 444 shares. Now, nothing too crazy, right? There's people that can get way more, but you can agree that this is better than zero because this is free, right? So while I'm learning my online marketing and I'm learning how to do Bing ads and Google ads and all that stuff, how to build my landing page, I have my asset growing. And this here, this page has been generating, free traffic that I did not spend a dime on a single ad for, okay? So that is why I strongly urge you to start creating your content and your idea now. So you can either make a blog or a YouTube channel or whatever it is for something you love, and I'll get into more detail on that in the next video as to what exactly you can do, or you could make kind of just a blog where you document your progress, right? So if you're serious about marketing, maybe you can document your progress, put stuff there once a week, and just say, hey, here's my results for this week. Here's my results for the second week. Here's my results for the third week. And you do that later on when you actually do hit results. That'll be an awesome story to maybe even sell because people love those zero to hero stories. And, you look legitimate. You look real. You're not some guy that, oh, let me sell you this product that I don't even use myself, right? You are a legit fellow because people see that, hey, well, this guy was indeed nothing 2 years ago or however long ago, whatever happens with your blog 2 years ago, and now he became something looking at these posts, right? People love that. You will make a whole brand of yourself. That is your asset, something that you completely own. So I urge you to either do that or something you love. And here's the thing. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look at my website. It doesn't look that good. I could hire, and I probably will hire, a professional web designer sometime soon to kind of recreate the whole thing, make it look amazing, right? But the point is, start pushing out content. I have about 200 plus YouTube videos and therefore 200 plus of these blog pages, and because of that, it's starting to get that organic traffic. So I urge you to do the exact same thing while you are learning this brand new field. Invest a little bit in yourself every day, or maybe a few hours a week. It doesn't have to be much, just build it. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. As you can see by my website, it's not the best, but the content is there. And that's the main thing. Content is king. So sometimes some of my articles show up on top of the search results in either Google or YouTube. And sometimes people are asking me, wow, like what special keywords are you putting in? Fact is, I don't do any special keywords. I just put in basic keywords that I think are related to the YouTube video. But because of so much content that I've put out, it ends up being at the top. So you can do the same. This is something that you can have because, again, there's people that have way better results. But again, you can agree that 500 shares is better than 0, right? So get started now. Create a YouTube channel, create a blog post, a website, a review site, whatever, something that you love, and get started right now, because later on, I promise you, it will pay off, okay? So right now, even I have people contacting me on my services page asking me to help out with certain stuff, right? As you can see, 444 shares. I did not spend a single dime on an ad here, but because of 2 years worth of uploading that content and having it there on the side while I do something else, the results are there, right? Now, what's going to happen in 10 years if I keep doing this? Maybe 5 years, 20 years, right? You can make more than a living just from doing this, okay? And that's the goal. The goal is to just kind of have your own brand and make more than a living from that. Okay, rather than constantly having to create ads for people, right? Even though there's nothing wrong with that, I love doing it, but that's something that you can do because it requires less work, right? And sometimes people say that, hey, well, SEO, that's not really free. Well, in that case, if you're talking about paid traffic, it's not really free to actually create the ads either. You have to put in the work to research the keywords, to create the ads and stuff like that. So I still think that all this traffic here is completely free, because I just put stuff out there and it naturally happens, okay? So again, conclusion, create a blog, create a YouTube channel, do something, create your brand while you learn. In the next video, I'll go over into more detail what type of stuff you can do for something that you love. And that's pretty much it. Get started right now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I cover a lot of different online marketing tools, tips, tricks, reviews, etc., all that stuff. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.